Today I'll be guiding you how to pin apps to the shelf on a Chromebook. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that this video will be fruitful and informative for you. So first thing first, you have to click on the bottom left launcher, and here on this Chromebook you'll find all the apps available here. You just need to select the app that you want to pin on the shelf on the Chromebook. Suppose let me click on this PowerPoint. You have to right click on the mouse tab in this way and a box will appear. Before that, come back and let's click on right click on this Firefox and click on pin from taskbar. So it has been on pin. So again click on the left button launcher and search on the top of the screen search bar as Firefox, and after you find out, you need to right click on this app and now click on pin to taskbar. As you can see that it has already been pinned to the shelf on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the notification bell for more updates, and thanks for watching and see you in the next video.